tutorial for Fireball. Just view the final result. Okay, and view our Fireball Blender. Just the Fireball and the dolmen and the dolmen material. We use principal onion and add shader and use emission and attributes. We just screenshot. Okay, screenshot. New general. Save. So delete the old one and add the ball and change the segment to 8. Then choose this one, object, and object quick smoke. We need to do some changing. First choose this one and click select object, just change this one, fire and smoke. Then change the domain. Resolution is division is 32. I think is enough. And then just click noise, and then we change the start to end, not too long, just 60. That's enough. And the type to choose all because it's stable. Then big all, but big all we noticed the processing time is short, so we can see the effect. Yeah, can see it, but if you click this one you cannot see it because we need to add material and choose the domain and just slip it and change it to shader. Shader. So we shift A to add shader. Just drag it. Okay, and shift A to emission. This one, and shift A to and what attributes. So we use factor to strings and emission to shader, and this one we can choose see name flame, and then we can see the color to yellow. Yeah, yellow is good. So now we play, we can see it, but after 60 you cannot see. So we just adjust the whole movie to 60. That's good enough, and see to your output. Okay, output no need to change, and change the resolution to, then change the output is this one, and we can choose the container to MPEG-4, which is easy to view in machine. Okay, low audio, and we can set the render engine to cycle. Cycle is better result. So changing the device to GPU. Okay, we say we add me too. Okay, so we can render one image to see the result. Okay, yeah. So if you think the camera is not good, so we can change the camera. Just changing the camera, and we can use this one, view to camera to view. So you can, okay, then we save and render. Better than before. Okay, thank you for watching.